flinched real hard.
You threw it on purpose. I mean, I know you did.
Like, man, I was gonna go Anheuser. I see Bobby. I'm gonna try to light him up. I could see this little bald head up here. I was like, that's where I'm aiming for. Woo! 11 hours later, and here we are in Tennessee. I'm Bobby Cool Daddy Slick Breeze, and we are here in Nashville, Tennessee for the Music City Open. We got here a little early to help set up. Should be good times.
Yeah, no, we loaded it up.
I don't know what it is. Yeah, I know.
Dude, I cannot thank you guys enough.
It's gonna look
so
good.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Going on a tour of Ravenwood Disc Golf Course.
You like music?
Please don't die. Please don't. I don't want to die. Please don't kill me. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Hey. Coming through. Coming in. All right, we checked in with the tournament headquarters and we're getting now gas in the Silver Bullet, the DD Silver Bullet. The course looks amazing. We got a quick tour of the course. It was really cool. Super long course. Over 13,000 feet on that course with 3 holes over 1,000 feet. Woo, that's going to be a marathon of a round. Now, everybody's only playing 1 round a day, so that's good. But man, it's gonna be interesting to see some of the lines that people throw out here because of the way the course is set up. But right now we're going to meet up with Seth Muncie, Disc Golf Strong. He's gonna be doing some kind of disc golf clinic. Maybe I can talk to him about my shoulder that's kind of been hurting, or maybe we can talk to a little bit about. So maybe give us a quick tip on disc golf and being disc golf strong. Ugh.
For disc golfers, we want to make sure that our shoulders stay nice and healthy, and also our elbows. Well, when we're throwing, we're putting a lot of stress on our shoulders, we're putting a lot of stress on our elbows. We need to strengthen those muscles. One of the best ways to strengthen them is through isometrics. Just take your hand, make a fist, other hand, I want you to push and hold. You're gonna feel some tension in your shoulder, tension in your elbow. Hold that for about 10 seconds, pull for about 10 seconds, push out, pushing that way, and then I'm pulling in. That's not only gonna help strengthen the tendons around your elbow, the ligaments, but also around your shoulder as well. Try to keep you healthy and playing disc golf strong.
So we put this memorial in for him. It was designed and handmade by an artist from Asheville, North Carolina named Bradley Tucker. But we put this in to memorialize Freddie and his life because he would always hang out at this hole. He made walking sticks and hacky sacks, and he would give people pointers. Everybody that's played here basically for the last 15 years knew Freddie, and he passed a couple years back, and so we got this memorial put in for him.
All right, if you watch the Disc Golf Ranch, man, you know we love tacos. So we asked around to see if people could tell us the local taco place, and they told us to come to Nectar Urban Cantina. So we're gonna check to see what the tacos are like here. See how they are compared to Torchy's tacos, because you know we love Torchy's. Okay, let me tell you about this taco place, Nectar. It is good. I had a chorizo con papas taco and a blackened fish taco. Excelente. And the chips and the salsa was pretty good too. So I recommend the Nectar. Is it Torchy Taco? No. But they're pretty good tacos. So thanks to the guys that recommended that here at the Music City Open. I appreciate that. So things are winding down. I'm chilling here at a house with a friend that invited us to come over and stay, me and Derek. And actually we have 2 guests that you might know here as well. Maybe I'll go in there and ask them a few questions, some intriguing questions. Let's go ask him. What's the course like?
Course is super long. Throwing a driver almost every hole except like 2 of them. So I'm glad I'm in the shape that I'm in now, because if I was in the shape I was a few years ago, it would be up and down hills. I think it was like 10 miles or so. So it was quite some time.
All right, another question. Does pineapple belong on pizza?
I've never tried it. I don't like pineapple. So
At all?
Never tried it.
So you even know, huh?
I don't even know.
What are you playing?
Hearthstone.
And are you the master of the Hearthstone?
I wouldn't say I'm the master, but Ricky Steeler, he plays as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we play together sometimes, and I'm pretty sure I just lost, so I'm not the master.
Everywhere we go, he's on it. Everywhere. Going to the course, playing. In bed, playing. Constantly. And he thinks I'm bad on my phone. He's
Hearthstone. It's a card game.
You ever play the Disc Golf Valley game?
Yeah. I played disc golf a game before that though.
Yeah.
I don't know if anybody had played. Have you played that?
I've seen it.
Not Disc Golf Valley, but there's one called Disc Golf Game, and it has the Beast on it, and it's pretty fun.
Earlier, a little bit ago, you were eating a peanut butter sandwich.
Yes.
Did you ever put bananas on your peanut butter sandwich?
Yeah, that's what I had.
Oh, you had peanut butter banana
yeah.
sandwich?
Of course.
You the man.
You can put honey. You can put honey on there. I mean,
That's what Joel does.
it's good on there.
We
Yeah.
need to do it.
We are down to, wow, we're somewhere in, where are we at?
We were at Cumulus Media, I guess.
Cumulus Media?
Yeah, they got a sign up here with all their radio stations.
I got 104.
But where, are we still in Nashville?
Yeah, we're in Music City.
right downtown.
Oh, okay.
We're on Music Road.
All right, so we're downtown Nashville. Will and Jay are going to be on a radio show to help promote the Music City Open.
Yes,
and
sir.
disc golf, growing disc golf, that's what you do. Out here in
all
Tennessee.
5 or 6 of these stations are going to play it. It won't air until after the event, but
Oh, okay.
yeah, like 5 of these radio stations are going to play it.
Oh, nice. So yeah, we're working to spread the news of disc golf. You're gonna have to help us settle the debate. Do you see that bridge? We're near an airport. Look how long this bridge is. See? Well, let's see. We're still in the bridge.
This is a tunnel.
We're in the tunnel of the bridge. Derek is making fun of me because I said it's an airplane bridge, and he's thinking, what is an airplane bridge? It's a bridge where airplanes go over. I've seen it. So in the comments below, do you agree with me that there are airplane bridges?
Hang
Oh,
Let me defend my position.
okay.
All right. So what does a bridge do? Spans 2 gaps, right?
Yes.
Planes fly. What does a plane need a bridge for? Just fly over it.
It's still got a taxi to the runway. I say it's an airplane bridge.
I think that's-
airplane. I
no.
can't even say it. Put in the comments below. Airplane bridge. Yes or no? It's time for check-in here at the Music City Open. We are at Little Harpeth Brewing, and they have it set up for people to check in. We're gonna listen to some music, drink a little beer at the brewery. It's gonna be an awesome time. Let's go check out see what they got going on the stage as far as getting ready for people to check in.
All right. What's your name, bud?
James Baptista.
There they come. All right, so it looks like in the players pack they got an aviator. We got some guys out here tossing around the aviator. Perfect disc for warming up, having a little, well, you know how to throw it, I guess.
Bobby, you taking video of me?
I'm taking video of you.
We're trying to figure out how this works. We're not old enough.
Let's see it.
We're not old enough.
There you go. Just gotta put some spin on it.
There's plenty of spin. It's just no aim.
No, okay.
It's windy out here too. I was throwing from that side. It wants to flip over real bad. And
Ultimate discs are a little different animal. There it is, there it is. All right, now I think you need to,
supposed to be an ultimate disc?
yeah.
Oh, I never played ultimate, so I don't know.
Oh, almost got it, almost got it. Now it's time for some trick shots under the leg.
In a headwind too.
Well,
Going big hyzer!
All right, it's Friday morning. Competition has begun. Me and Derek came out here to Cedar Hill to check out the players that are happening over here. What's up? How you doing? Checking out some players over here. Going to check out J-Ray's setup. Of course, he's playing today, so.
Can't be on camera without a hat.
Too late.
Oh, we got prima donna already.
Too late. All right. What are these you got on here, right here?
Dude, so I'm taking disc golf serious now, and I got my notes for each hole. So, like, you know, this is Cedar Hill.
Did you go walk the courses and got those notes, or?
No, in my practice rounds, I threw a bunch of shots and got tired, and then made notes on each hole what I'm gonna throw.
That's legit.
It's the most homework I've done in 30 years.
All right, Derek and I have been commissioned to help put some water out on the course. Oh my God. We are for sure weighted down here. We're gonna try to put water out in the course, see what happens.
I think we'll make it.
You think we'll make it?
Maybe.
We're heroes. Tonight, part of the festivities here at the Music City Open is a bowling night at Donaldson Bowling. So we're gonna see if we can see how good the disc golfers are at bowling. Probably not so good.
Call someone that's 20 minutes away. And one
Hi, Bobby.
A bunch of Lucid X fillings, like, you know how they have
Bobby, I hear you
rings
snore.
in the middle? Hey, Bobby.
Falsehood. Hello? That's false.
Hey, oh, Bobby.
It's a 9-pound ball, so, you know, moving up in the world.
Right, right.
What are you talking about? Football all day. Sorry, I'm gonna pick this up.
All right, gotta pick up the script. Come on, come on.
Oh, they're cheating. Oh, I'm reading yours. Okay.
All right, it's Saturday, and we are checking out the Cane Ridge Park to see what's going on over here today. I think the AMs are playing today. So, you know, we're out here just checking out the setups of each course. We're the title sponsor. We just want to lend our support to the event. And so, I thought we'd check out some of the courses, see how things are going with the TDs out here.
Into the woods. Actually, the only really open holes are this one and 2, and then hole 12.
Okay.
And 11. Those kind of open up, and then 13 they go back into the woods and everything.
Awesome.
It's a pretty technical course. It gets, especially when you go over to 3, which is a par 4. You've got to hit the lines. If you don't hit the lines, you know, it's a bad day.
Perfect.
Always a lot of fun though.
All right, it's time for the, it's time for the fly party, or fly mart they call it. See what we got going on here with the Music City Open Fly Party.
How are you?
I'm okay. Got some old discs that I don't throw anymore. Marshalls. Team guard now.
Team guard?
Team guard. 25. That was super. Is that good?
What is it?
It's pretty good.
It's that good.
It's that good.
You got water all in these? Or did you already dump them out?
No. What's I don't want to dump it out.
7.
Hey Bob.
Hi, how are you?
Pretty good. How are you?
Good, wonderful.
Sorry I ruined all your pictures.
Yes, you did. Actually, those are going to make great pictures.
Yeah, those are gonna be really good. I told them like every time I see you about to take a picture, I go, just stare. The Knoxville crew.
Knoxville crew.
Knoxville finest. Yes.
What disc would you compare to the Firebird in our lineup? Don't say something stupid. Just be serious. Don't be stupid.
You mean like a Pioneer? Lucid X Felon doesn't fly as good as a Pioneer.
I would have murdered you.
Final day of competition here at the Music City Open. I think I'm just gonna go out and see if I can capture some footage of our players so you can check out this amazing, super long course out here at Ravenwood. Let's check them out. I do believe he did that on purpose. He saw me standing by this tree, and I bet you he threw it right at me on purpose. Zach Melton.
He went real hard.
You threw it on purpose. I mean, I know you did.
Like, man, I was gonna go Anheuser. I see Bobby. I'm gonna try to light him up. I could see this little bald head up here. I was like, that's where I'm aiming for.
So now it's over. The round is over. We are now headed to the award ceremony. We're going to show you some of the really cool. We got some really cool trophies for. They're like little guitars, but like they had an artist. I can't remember her name. I really wish. Shantae. I think her name's Shantae. But anyway, she did a really good job with the trophies. We're going to take a look at those, and then kind of be part of the festivities at the end of the day. Festivities of a super long day. Great day, but super long. Just there, yeah. And then if you look at the lightning, see all those yellow marks? That's the lightning that's been detected. That's not good. What's the positive, Derek?
Nectar's a setup.
Nectar tacos.